So, from what I understand, you're wondering why MRP sometimes lists a lot of items that need a purchase order or requisition. For example, a bunch of raw materials. And instead of creating purchase orders, it just puts them into planned orders. You noticed it plans out everything, but you feel like it should actually generate purchase orders for certain things. You also asked about how the timing of this whole process affects MRP. Let's go over how MRP licensing plays into this. If you look right here, you'll see it showing the current plan. I'm going to rerun MRP for this material and tweak a few things. So, I'll go into MD0. Now, if you set it up to create purchase requisitions and run it under planned orders, it'll make a plan for everything. But if you want actual purchase requisitions, you need to override the plan. In the planning board, I'll pick the third option, which basically ignores whatever plan was there before. Once that's set, I just hit enter a couple of times and let MRP run. Then I'll go back and check the material in MD0. You'll be able to see if there's a planned order now. If I open it up, you can clearly see the planned order right there. Now you can see it's been released properly. After that, a purchase requisition gets generated. There aren't any timing issues anymore with older or previous runs. You can check and see that everything lines up now. The important thing is to have your MRP settings configured correctly. Once that's done, the whole planning process just works smoothly.